Hello everyone, welcome to Management Study. And from now onwards, we are going to discuss the topics of MBA, MCOM, BBA, and BCom, and also the topics which are useful in competitive exams like UGC NET and other state competitive examination, which includes management as a main subject. So, I was planning that I will conduct lectures on different topics of business like marketing management, financial management, human resource management, because those topics are not uh, help you in competitive examination. Apart from that, they will help you in managing your own businesses. If in future if you want to start your business, then these topics are very useful. And yeah, I will make sure that if you are not pursuing an MBA, that is totally fine. If you are watching these lectures, you will get the maximum benefit out of it. Okay. So I will first start with marketing management. And then after completing this whole marketing management course, I will go, I will go to teach you the human resource management. Okay. So in this lecture, I will give you the introduction of marketing management. What is marketing management subject? Okay. What is the discipline of marketing management? Which areas are included in marketing management? And the course objective and outcomes of this course. Okay. So the course objective. So first I will read and then I will tell you that how this course is, uh, how this course will help you in future. So to introduce the students to the concepts, strategies, and contemporary issues involved in the marketing of products and services. So marketing management deals with the marketing of products and services. We all know that there are two types of things in business. First is product and the second one is services. So business can be sell any product or it can be sell any services. It can provide any services. Let's take an example. If a company is producing pens for writing pens, then the pen is a product. It is not a service. And if someone is giving, uh, someone is giving services like haircut or spa or education, then that is called services because that is not a product. Education is a service. Hair salon is a service. Restaurant, hotels are all part of services. That is service industry. Okay, that is clear. And marketing management is used to market your products and services in front of customers or distinguish your product and services from your competitor. Now, what is the course learning outcomes of this marketing management course? So, first is understand core concepts of marketing. Marketing management will help you to understand the core principles of marketing, okay, which includes segmentation. Segmentation means suppose if you have any product, then you have to decide that what age of my customers or in which age my customers have fallen. Okay, that is called segmenting. Now let's take an example. If you are a toy manufacturer, then obviously your target audience are kids and teenagers. So your segment is kids segment. So there are different segments like kids segment, teenager segment, adult segment, and senior citizen segment. So if your product is a toy, then your segment must be kids and teenagers. But if your product is book, you know, you are selling books, then obviously your target audience should be adults and senior citizens. So that is for segmentation. The second one is targeting. After segmenting your audience or your customers, the second step in marketing is called targeting. Now you have to target those segment or those potential customers to buy your product or services. Okay. Suppose I am a toy manufacturer and my segment is kids. Now I have to target those kids to buy my toys. Okay. Then positioning. Positioning is how you can position your product into the market. Okay. How you will position your product into the market. Let's say if I am manufacturing toys, then I will open a shop or I will contact with the shop owners who are already selling toys, and I will give them my toys to sell them, and I will then give them commission on sales they have made. So that is positioning. Positioning is how you will reach out to your customers, or how will your product reach out to your customers. You maybe open your shop, sell online, you can contact with other suppliers of toys or other retailers who are selling toys. So that is called positioning. Then comes branding. Branding means how will you tell the story of your product? What is the logo of your product? What is the packaging of your product? What is the size of your product? That all thing, color, theme, and all the things are included in the branding of your product. And the marketing mix. Okay. In counts 4 P's and 7 P's. So marketing mix is a mixture of 4 P's of marketing. Now, what are these 4 P's are? These 4 P's are product, means the product you are selling. The second P is price, means the price of your product. The third P is promotion, means how you promote your product. And the last P is place, at which place you are selling your product. So this is the core concept of marketing. Now the second outcome is develop marketing strategies. To run any business or to be successful in any task, not in business, but in any task, you need to develop some sort of strategies. If you are preparing for competitive examinations, then you have to, develop some strategies. You have to make some plans that, okay, uh, um, I will do this, I will read this, and I will follow this creator or, educator to, study from this channel. And in other case, if you are running a business, then also you have to develop some strategies that how you will sell your product, how will you market your product, what is the price, what who are your customers, at which place are you selling your products. So that is called marketing strategies. Your marketing strategies should be aligned with your business goals. Okay. If your goal is to sell products to kids and teenagers, then it should not be violated. You must sell your product to kids or teenagers. Otherwise, it will be fail. Nobody will purchase your product if it goes out of your segment. So it should be, your strategies should be aligned with your business goals. And how will you formulate strategy? So you will follow some metrics, you will do some analysis, the industry analysis or some market analysis. And the famous tools for market analysis and industry analysis and your own business analysis are SWOT, Pastel, BCG metrics, and Porter's 5 forces model. Now, what is SWOT? So SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. SWOT. S stands for strength, W stands for weaknesses, O stands for opportunities, and T stands for threats. Okay. So if you are preparing a strategy to sell your product in the market, then you have to do a SWOT analysis of your product. Strengths means what are the strengths of your product? What are the weaknesses of your product? What are the opportunities available for your product in the market? And what are the threats of your product? So by doing SWOT analysis, you will get a clear picture of your product or the future of your product. That how will it perform in the market. Now, the PASTEL analysis. PASTEL stands for political, economical, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors. How will these external factors will impact your business slash your product, and how will these environmental factors will impact your product in the market? So for that, we have to do PESTEL analysis. So full form of PESTEL is P stands for political, E stands for economical, S stands for social, T stands for technological, L stands for legal, and E stands for environmental factors that affect your product. Now, there is a BCG matrix. BCG matrix is developed by the Boston Consulting Group. Four elements are there in this BCG matrix: star, cash cow, question mark, and dog. We will see it later on. And the Porter's five forces model, which we will see later on. So these two, I hope that you will understand. First, you have to understand core concepts of marketing, and then you have to develop marketing strategies. Now, analyze consumer behavior. Consumer plus behavior. Now, behavior is a more of a psychology and less of a marketing, and consumer is more of a marketing and less of a psychology. But consumer behavior is more of a psychology and less of market. So in consumer behavior as a subject, we will learn about the psychological, social, and cultural factors that influence consumer decisions and buying patterns. Okay. Then conduct a market research. You have to design basic market research using qualitative and quantitative methods. Qualitative methods are, let's say, if I will take an interview of a personality, then that is the qualitative method of data collection. And what is quantitative method? If I analyze some numbers, or I captured some numbers and I will follow some data, numerical data, that is called quantitative methods. Okay, so quantitative methods and qualitative methods, including surveys, focus group, and data analysis. So you have to conduct market research in marketing. Apply digital marketing tools. Digital marketing is famous nowadays. Every brand, every business are adopting digital marketing strategies to promote their products on social media and other platforms. So you have to understand and utilize digital platforms like SEO, social media, email, and PPC for integrated marketing communication. So integrated marketing communication is a different topic and is a whole different topic to understand. But what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. Then social media, email, and PPC stands for pay per click. So these are all the digital marketing things. Then we have to evaluate product and brand management. We have to analyze the product life cycle. You have to analyze introduction stage, then growth stage, then maturity stage, then decline stage. So that is called the product life cycle. You have to manage brand portfolios, and you have to apply innovation in product development. Okay, you have to constantly do R&D in this marketing. Set pricing strategies. You have to develop competitive pricing strategies based on cost, customer value, and competitor benchmark. Then you have to decide distribution channels like retail, wholesale, and e-commerce models. Then you have to create and manage marketing budgets so that you cannot go out of budget. Then you have to exhibit ethical and sustainable marketing practices that are environment friendly and sustainable. You need to take care of the consumer rights and practices before applying any marketing strategies. You have to communicate effectively with the customers, the third party, you have to present your marketing strategies, reports, and research findings clearly to various stakeholders. And you have to collaborate with team to work better on any marketing project. Okay, so here with this, we see the basics of the marketing management as a subject. we see the course objective and the course learning outcomes. So this is a basic understanding of what is marketing management is as a discipline or a subject. Now in next lecture, we will start with unit 1, which is called the introduction to marketing concepts, marketing philosophies, customer value, and holistic marketing. Okay. So I hope you understand this course outcomes, course learning outcomes, and course objective. So you maybe have a question that uh, why this course look like a university course, because I have taken the syllabus of Delhi University Faculty of Management Study. So I will follow that syllabus. So if you want to, know that what is the syllabus for this marketing management as a subject, go to Google, search MBA syllabus, Delhi University, and you will get the whole syllabus. So for today, uh, this is what is. We have seen course objective and course learning outcomes. In the next lecture, we are going to start with the unit 1. Okay. Thank you for attending this session.